Good afternoon, it's Dave at ATI Watch Reviews. Please hit that like button and please smash that subscribe button for more awesome watch content. Little wristwatch check. Got my Duca 44mm DK109. A very interesting dive watch. Extreme super comfort for a bracelet. Very nice H-link and simple small deployment clasp. Can't really go wrong with this watch for the price. It's been a really nice little beater for me. Today's video is quite an interesting one because I've wanted one of these watches for a while, and it is indeed, it's an Addiesdive, but it's actually a military style watch. I have to say I'm a fan of these blister packs. Have you seen this before? Check that out. And I have to say, I can't believe the weight of that thing. That is, on initial impressions, that feels very weighty. Definitely a solid bracelet, because I was thinking with the price that it might be hollow links, but that is not hollow. Let's just check quickly what's in the box. Standard warranty card from Addiesdive. Manual. And watch link removal tool. Let's get the stickers off and check that out in the all black military style tactical army watch. I just had to get it in that because I don't have any all black watches. This is the Addiesdive MY050S. It's a 44mm by a whopping nearly 16mm thick. I think it's 15.5mm thick. It's obviously a quartz. These types of watches typically are. It's a 5-bar or 50-meter water resistance watch. Have to say it looks sublime in the all black. You can get it in an orange, you can get it in different colours, but I chose to get it in the sleeky colour. It's run on a quartz Miyota 2115 movement, so very accurate. The specs online state that this is a 120 gram watch, but that is completely ridiculous. I cannot believe how heavy this thing is. This is easily 165, 170 grams, easy. In fact, it might even be closer to 200. Honestly, I thought when I saw it online, this is going to be a hollow link watch, possibly, but it's not. It's completely solid links with that black coating. They have indeed polished the flanks, as you can see there. It is only going to be single pins, but they have given you some arrows, moving down to a somewhat tinny deployment clasp. But the price on this thing, how many micro adjusts? 3 micro adjusts. This must be a 24 or 22mm lug watch. I think it will be. The bracelet will be about 22mm with minimal taper. Oh, the bezel's interesting. Very easy to turn, too easy to turn. And doesn't seem to click enough. There is some backplay there, quite significant. And one striking thing about this watch is, again, the price. Because this thing can be had for an unbelievably cheap price. It can be had for around 20 GBP. In deals, you might even be able to get it cheaper on AliExpress, which is, for them to have made 108, I think this is about 180 grams. That's just off feel. I will weigh it in the full review, but it feels so weighty. For them to have made this with a fully solid stainless steel bracelet, it does obviously have a mineral crystal. It's not sapphire at this price point. But you've got the date window also. You've got some loom. The pip is loomed. The indices and hands are loomed. And it gives you that stealthy military look for 20 quid. China does blow my mind. I have to say, it does blow my mind what they can do in that country. It is unbelievable what they can do. It is obviously just a push-in crown. It's not screw down. You are still getting 50 meters of water resistance, as it says there on the dial. And they don't seem to have put much of a space between the resist and 50. But what do you think about that for 20 quid? Hope you've enjoyed this little unboxing. There is an affiliate link down below if you want to pick it up and make a tiny bit of commission at no extra cost to you. It's been Dave. Cheers.